It's good. I've got a lovely colour, and where this highlight is on the right, there's a bit of a squiggle there, so I'm going to try and replicate it using this colour and this brush. There you go, you see? Just a little bit of a squiggle, but it gives you a lovely little effect. It's only a one shot get at it. You've got to be confident. No half measures when you're doing this eye. Right, I'm going into the white. Okay, and I'm just putting in some. This is a beautiful eye, it's like marbled. Let's add a little bit more yellow to the bottom bit. That's it. Just increase that yellow streak. Change the opacity to low. I want to just sneak some of this yellow into the underside of the iris on the left hand side. You see? Going up to the it's almost like I'm painting a planet. Right, I can see a lovely bit of violet up here, top left corner, see? Let's put that violet in there, okay? See what happens. Now we're starting to get the area we want. I'm going to go over to that slight blue and put a little bit of smudginess just along the top of that iris. Just a little light patch that I can see. Okay, there's that little, well, that little tooth could be bigger. That's better. And get into that purple other side of it, you see. That's it, bring this purple round. Going into the brown underneath, joining the two highlights. Oh, that's lovely, I like that. One colour reacting with another colour. Let's bring some dark in. This is the most enjoyable. Right, now I've got, in the eye, I've got two little bits of highlights in the violet. See them? Now because I've got dark, I should be able to just pick a nice little, let's match it about there. Right, and we've got these, reduce that a little bit. See, once you've got your opacity levels, you know what, I can see bits of blue there. So let's put some blues in first. And let's go back to this violet and let's just, there we go. That's better. Maybe a little bit of light over. That's better. See? We have a little bit of grey coming in, just here. Maybe a little bit there. This is where there's a bit of little highlight on the eye, you see? Wow. You zoom out and you see what you've done. Sometimes it takes you back a little bit. Right now, I'm just going to tidy up the blackness of the iris, where I've overlapped with a little bit of my colours. Sometimes it's good for the blackness to come out onto the colour. Give it a bit of an edge, see? That's better. It's not so hard and it just smudges it up a little bit, see? That's better. Just carry on smudging up the edge of the iris so it's not so hard. That's looking alright. I'm going to do what I did on the other eye. Just going to increase these a little bit more than what they are. That's much better. See? Let's go into this blue. Let's go into this purple. Just on this corner here. Alright, let's get some creams. What I want to do is just add a little bit of that's it. There we go. Let's put some of this cream over here, look. Ever so subtle. Honestly, it's very, very subtle. A little bit of orange just here. There we go. It's all the difference. Can you see that orange so I can see my reference? Now I want to go back to my brown underneath the iris and just, you know, I'm going to try green. Much better. Oh, that's much better, see? Didn't need to bring it on the right, but on the left I did. Okay, right, wow. Those eyes are popping. Yeah. Right, let's just get some of this blue and just push this dark patch down a little bit. It's not so much. That's it. Just gently, gently, gently. There we go. We're getting there. Just take a screenshot. Well, the good thing about screenshots is they're like little backups. In case you do something and you lose all your work. And I've been there and it's not very nice and you wish you'd done a backup. But they always say, always try and do backups if you can.